Hey everyone! So, it's been like a very long time since I've been on here, and sorry, wow, my hair's so poofy. Wow. I just got off of work, so it was really windy, and that is the reasoning for my hair. But I am here for another staycation with Christine, and this time at one of the hotels that I've always wanted to stay at. The one and only Wilderness Lodge. I know it's super dark. It's only like 6, but you know, it's January, so it's cold and dark. Oh, I'm so excited. I haven't been here in so long, and it's so pretty. We're staying somewhere up there, I think, in the Boulder Ridge Villas. I'm not exactly sure. So I most definitely got lost, but some guy helped me out because I could only find an elevator that went to the first floor, and I needed the third. God, even this is cute. This is literally where you just step out from the elevators. Alright. Time to go find this room. Okay, so that was wrong too. But I think I'm headed the right way now. I don't know, but it's cold and dark. Alright, I'm hoping this is the place. God, it's so beautiful. Alright, so I'm on another elevator, so hopefully I find our room this time, because Christine is not answering her phone. But here's the view from the top of this elevator. It's so quiet here. Okay, let's hope this is it. Yes. Alright, so Christine and I are going to try to get this bed open. Oh wait, is this open?
Oh wow. Okay, well then what happens? Whoa, it's Bambi! Oh, it's so cute. I want to take a picture.
That's so cute. Alright, so here's our lovely Wilderness Lodge studio room, something or another. The bathroom's really tiny though, but it's fine. You know, we got that microwave to cook and do our dishes that we're not going to use. You already saw us struggle to open this guy up. And yeah. Cute bedboard. I'm not really sure what this is themed after, but it's cool.
This is Bay Lake.
Yeah, I'm confused by that.
Read it. What does it say? It says Park Find Brochures.
First came the railroad tracks west. Next came the destination resorts along the way to entice the tourists to journey the rails. After that, the promotional literature describing the attractions of the lodgings and the wilderness surround. Samples shown above.
This must have been pre-monorail. That must be the rails that they're talking about.
That's the new Snow White restaurant, which we are not eating at.
I don't like Snow White.
I don't either. The food looked cute. So we need an Agrabah themed restaurant.
Yeah. Come on, Imagineers.
We came to Roaring Fork to eat. It looks really good. Okay, so we're trying to get to Magic Kingdom for extra magic arts before it closes, and the bus keeps getting delayed.
Minutes to get my stupid sandwich, and we probably would have been there before the park closed in the public, but that's okay.
It's also really cold. Yes, I know it's colder, you know, in some other places, but like, I'm cold. It's like 40 degrees, so. Alright, so, it is like.
My magic band barks.
Yes.
When I come into the park, I just had to throw that out there. Sorry, guys.
It is like 9 o'clock. And we just got to Magic Kingdom because you're made until, you know, a whole whopping 10 o'clock.
Because we can.
Because we can. So here we are. No idea what we're going to do, but we'll do something.
We're not going to meet Mickey and Minnie, I'll tell you that right now.
We're not
because
gonna
it'll look like something that you just scraped off the bottom of your shoe after walking around the countryside for a day. So,
we're also not going to ride Splash Mountain because it's freezing cold outside.
Or
I'm not about to
Pirates.
do that. Or Pirates.
I'm not taking the chance. Sometimes
So no
I walked
rides.
off more soaked on Pirates than I did on Splash Mountain. I almost said Space Mountain, but I
So
said
yeah. But now the fireworks are over. It's pretty empty and very beautiful. And the Christmas tree's gone. I don't know if I've been here since
Thank
you
God.
left.
It's about time.
Main Street looks so nice.
It's literally the middle of January. Yes, the Christmas tree is gone.
Like, there's no more decorations. It's nice and clean again. So we came. We came to ride. Oh, thanks, bud.
Friendship.
We came here for one ride only.
I'm just here to say that if you think the Be Our Guest scene is the best scene in Philhar Magic, you're garbage.
Yeah, your opinion is wrong. It is not an agree to disagree. It's
That's
just
what I'm
wrong.
trying to do. I'm trying to tell somebody via Snapchat.